Shemenso, hey, Shemenso, come on, y'all. Her name is Selena Boateng, and she calls this one Edapa. Yes. Nah. When your message, no. Let's go back and take it one more time, y'all. I want to cry the cool and shall say no, the Jonah. Yeah. Selena, come on, y'all. Symphonina. Hey. Come on, y'all. Hey. Come on, y'all. That's my message for you this afternoon. I don't know what you are going through right about now, but the person may catch on the situation or anchor hot down. Yes, there's going to be a turnaround. The table no babe tene, a brand babe dane, a besisa. And the end of one in a woman who come and papa bama wate. If you believe this, please receive it. Yeah, good deal. You know what I'm saying? Mama, good afternoon. I'm Samuel Kwaba. I'm not Ofie Kwanso Adom 106.3 FM. For today, Monday, the 15th of February, 2021. Yedi Valentine Day. A chance some year baby. Acha bese free bosome say ye kon ye beti e chirensem even en you cry de achi e cry chirensem bi piepie ni ade ade a to de acha in a month's time and there ma bi mu akrofo bi me ya o ma anye ni ye no ho nsem ne be daddy but I don't know about you. But me them me find it cool. Birthday, yeah. But I'm out for the. Na me share Titanic one arms na you know Penisi beach near the idea you to me. Hey, great as one you and I need you pa. Nam say na we na go eh. Enti COVID yeah, heard the cry. But me to check the Church of Pentecost. In fact, reports are made here from all over the country yesterday. No, now I say I saw you no sheda. Edi jumedi kama say be na. And Mabruno in particular. I'm from home kwashisha niema basa BM all in the name of Valentine. And I think it was good. Ube piemu otema me assembly me chair the Church of Pentecost tema community 1 district English assembly. There was a beautiful event and your friend of Love Arena. In fact, it went very well. And I said the mobunu ne buy na chese food we common money ade na chocolate no susu ne ade. It was nice. It was nice. Into to the youth ministry, close to you, to the leadership, my boy Juma. It was beautiful. It was nice. Well done, guys. I saw the Ashasi and I Ashasi. I don't know. Your friend Jerry Justice, Papa Bills, we krimu Rasta be home kakra. Mude mutie yo. Ebi no mo me and any other time we say. Do we go Rasta home kakra? Iti James Star Joko and I'll take him until you trust walk anymore. Eddie Guzujam sa. Ebe. You know it's not free cyber copim 7 minutes here. And as you already know, time now so say the videos of our time bro. If I join you on Facebook, says here, Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Join me there now. Videos of our time and that video bank and I bro. Now you can to now you can watch some. Yeah. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Patrol chatum hoses here Facebook. Now videos of our time. And you video bina video me cry me show video na me dwa am say I dey so no. I dey say hu so no. Edi ka catch your videos ni bi won mu a ye hwe edit ye ho for videos ni bi won mu a ye hwe ma to die the best ageni ani ade e bi won mu so a ye hwe na ye dey a share ho kran kakra ati say videos ni bi wa kire ade me esu ade by na video ndi me akram hwe kwa madwa video ni bi won so ahwa na say yam shishu bi ni ade a by na de ndi madwa bruta e dey senfon so no ba said the tibia no wonso bra na ebehwe video no e wo Facebook na ene de no de me ye ne say o join me on Facebook na o share video na and the videos of our time no o share video ni wi a me pese meje wa dwen kire e wo video no enti for those of you on Facebook mo join here live na and I say Facebook live na mo share video ni wi a ya mo form comment ento e man na Meji Brena my papa. Yes. And quickly, Maminya roll call says here on Facebook. Yes, I see Jemima a handful over there. Yeah. Sounds so and ama with you papa B. I hope so, Dina. So good afternoon, brother. Please. Today is birthday. Do you mean to say today is your birthday? I'm sure said that's what you're talking about. If that's so, then a happy birthday to you, Ama. And then a Harriet Tete. Also, Jiremu on Facebook. I'm seeing a Joa. I see Dua. I say God bless you for your everyday encouragement. And as your Yamisha also said that Uti David Ado. I say hallelujah. Good afternoon, Brad Jerry, and God bless you for your love and concern for Adom FM. We are proud of you. Okay. Etiroko na neguso. Also bet me join you on Facebook at Adom 106.3 FM. Yeah. Na am I one corner be on social. But the main few channel say and the videos of our time video now me no channel. As soon as I drop the video, share video ni we pay. The patcho mame a comment on the video. What drink share what's our video no. And me and share. Yes. Mommy Grace say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Juliana Yabo say hello dear. And hello Juliana. Now for your traso. Hey, Eddie ready. Lewandowski. Owen Sterling GH. And also I say I am watching you inside a Shaman, Lebanon, Jerusalem. I feel Sandra I say Brad Jerry Sandra also Seth Antobam. And also our Malam. I say I want to thank God for my life and that of my family. We now have Facebook for any motion Paulina Ganza. I say hello. Any man Polly also hello. Now I sounds I say good afternoon, boss. Boss man. Good afternoon, bro. Pat Zo, I say good afternoon. Emmanuel Ako, I say hello. Andrew Nyamiche Mensa, I also say hello. Mommy, Mama Bafifi, I also say hi. I feel Akosia Vicky, I say I am here too. Akosia, you too. Mary Amanga, also say hi. And then Nathaniel Tainate Noble Otubwa. I see great afternoon. Wow. Okay, so join you on Facebook now. Now for and videos of our time, no. And she share so now share the ohona yemfa emro na for you the echo and the eba enyina. And that video medical catch us me video nkwa madwa. Me share video na am na so plan B no we plan B and plan A and I said enya ni bie kra. Say phone be so. Yes so senti anasa. The patrol join me say here. Now you share the video no. Join me say here on Facebook. Now access to Facebook it is better you join me there. Now watch a video now one kasa watch see so that when I'm talking about the video now be who say oh okay Antina Jerry can say you know. Then mom say we need access to Facebook said the be am no no. Me borrow wa dream what I say. Na me chamfoni natural. By the time I'm done explaining you know a bed says they watch a video now. But so access to Facebook there, why not? Just join us there. Adom 106.3 FM. Then you'll watch the video yourself. Say by bit me appreciating it much better, like I always say. As well as that, you're from Nataraj. Yeah, you know, almost the banner stationery products padia. Number uno, number one. Now, a John when name Ghana Hano and a JK Company Limited. Now JK Company Limited and they're the sole distributors at the Nataraj products here in Ghana. TNA Nataraj pens, crayons, pencil cases, pencils, math set. In fact, I almost young one Ubenya JK Company Limited. Also available JK exercise books and our JK 5-star A4 and then A3 papers. And stationery products I would want Ubenyani na the JK Company Limited. And you can say, Omo be bookshops, stationery shops PO Kromu ani nano. Baby omko fan near mano, na omunya na bomber so na omo so kakra so etimi anya bi ahwe omutum Limited. Ubehu ye cha kwan e North Industrial Area. Ye wo number 60 Otublehun Street, close to Christ Embassy. Oba ho no mo a. Dio hia bia no. Onsa ebeka no e ho betimi afren and obe send on WhatsApp. Edafa number we so 0540 125 999 0540 125 999. Now let's get it on. Now you share a video no videos of our time. Now video no just say ori bi na onam ena odini phone a video another person and so and in a wife. Now video no one hwe ya obubefu one hwe ya obedwa me so me ye bema but video no kwa man hwe nwie na me bufu yi man hwe video na nwie kwa na me dwae and na bi no ga james now they are we na about na say now I mean kromu na mo say na man for ne omu yire no hwe konkrasi na kohwe de ya no more brain ade and how this is not right. Abusi your video ni join me on Facebook this year na ehwe your friends video ni say dey here na wo wuni access to Facebook no o de fa wadwen ma na me room this year na me church say dey here ma me mo wadwen this year. So this man is working and on a video obi no so na ere enam. Now in the video no papa na one na ere nam no one na ere na kwafuom so mo kodo yo so mo koye den yo e na watwetwetwa eja kakra ne ade a apebode bi aka one ade a e na niam ni na no de aso na ere no e na ne ere no esa ekura ne ba akola keto aka ho ba hwe video ni ye kura tim so ba no sanyem because enya na Africa kan so sa odi onyem odi bi za ma me ne sanyem. She's carrying another baby in her womb. And on no sense one na say krom ba no so on top count. Be man dey way hands on the on nam no kuta you know the machete of the encante. I did do yi. And no happen e kura no. And on so oyi hwema wo no dey odidi oba da chi sa no mkwana. What is this? Enti obi wa aya mpanifo asem bi omo ka say me ye oseso boafo na me ye oseso bibi o say dey na we dey say ne nti aware nti we no so no is this how enti ampam say na me kan ebinim so twa wo dey ana kromu na kohwe grass na the way ebinim ye enti say na ye dey ye ema binim or what. Just look at the video. Oh, there's a video no, and yes, I mean I make many near the me the way I don't know I can't even talk about it well. One kasashe video no on Facebook. Just watch the video. Oh, there's a video no, we said it here. Wow, show video no we are. Like I said, and the video you know. Videos of our time you know. Oh, the show we are. Drop a comment for me to read it. Mommy who say it is say ya na because mama ne dey e ba hye nachi ne ba o ye very young kra e hye nachi e na o de ntoma abo no so na hwe mama na furu kra utimi sa akwa na san nyem no this can't be say na furu na so keke onyem wo de hwe video no onyem e na o san kita ne baketo ba akwa on de akwa na nantinti akwa no kra no e na pan na say silver bia on odi bia on decide first adiwi ya twitwa eja agum na maame ne soa na ya se twa brode duro eso san da so kan a maame na soa be ma ne dia wo ya ne se on de okita ne se kan na okọ na chese odi ne ire na chi ne okọ a boga wo yi nani chese ne ire no ne for do all the work minim de si wa fuo mu wo no omkọ ebi omkọ na maame ne nkola nte na omoto anansesem e na on ekodo e na oye adwuma na nti so wono aye adwuma na wieti na ekodo am no mbeso anema but it is still not right here ne se kan na de se kan pro se kan no de kodo ye ne pe e na kura papa no and the woman is carrying all these things together with body ya edro kola hye ne yam pregnant woman na kola sa hye na chi a otu no na osan kita ne baba akonsa e den nko ano aden Debut. Is it only me who finds something wrong with this or what? Or at least and council who they brought the cry now sukitai. And if that's the situation of Barnabas one mana, Anka Fancolane, Uncolani no form way. Then my so bet me for me. At least I could back on Nantina Mamini could tell you. And think I would jack around back for Bobo. Then my cry the affair, Oba Bobo out in a board chest. Now can saba hukita baba kunu poke now a call baby and you leave all this for Obana and Yemono to do bay there be this one there me dream one mentiase o there one kasashe video we said there ten me ntimi ma comment ni kra because I don't get it. No, I don't get it. But like I said, mo comment na me wrong kakra. Florence, Comte, or say this one is common when you go to the village. You see something like this, really. Benatete said this is normal at the village, but it is very bad. Angela Moa says, oh, how? Press low tune for, or say, Hey, Mundia Brandt, or session of anyway, Jonah came a car, or said, this is wickedness. Deborah Eboa, or oh, some of African men, their trust when they were yantro. Nelson Adeti, or said, the man is wicked, pa. Samisiao, or say, it is called Atam. I don't get it. Abenam Pofo was this man is bad. Gloria Nanaya Hinewa on the ordinance gunity and a heartbroken and so I can home. Faustino says, Asemu Ghana man. And then Millicent said, was very sad. Lewandowski Owen Sterling GH was at the bar. I said the man is very wicked. Ruth Ama, I say if he was here, I would have slapped him. Mabel, Asibi, or say, this man is very stupid. Or stupid. Letitia O'Day, or say, this marriage is slavery. Kwasomo pa. Kenneth Akom, or say, this is wickedness. Why we don't call this love? I don't get it real. Jessica O, or say, this is never right. Abiba Haruna, or say, no, this is very bad. Rita Kai, or say, oh no. Afe Aliandi Salome Saki. And now they're near Salome. Anyway. Or say, this is wickedness. Joanna Ababaini. I say, Brajay, this is not good. Abraham Kujoji. I say, this is not fair. You trust go anymore. I say, this man is very wicked. If you are there, pena bohiman chain. Na fe ya say akoye nimbiem na ya hwe de eno so edio. Monica Wusu I say very very bad. Ruth Abena Ogodo ono so say too bad. Afe Mama Bafifi or say this woman can't talk. Oh my God, the man is very wicked. Comfort na Ameli Kwe or say this is annoying. Sa me hwe kra na me buafu. Right from the start, I was mad. Clemencia, Japan, I said, this is madness. The Williams, I said, good afternoon, Brajay and the crew. Please, today is my birthday, and I'm watching you live from Tema. And now, happy birthday to you, Adley. Nyame Shawate. Jennifer Newman Nati, I say, ya semo. If I had messages in the door, so Kuma Abraham Oche, I said, this man is wicked. Yao Gato, I say, shaking my head. Stupidity at the highest degree. We a woman abuse. Okay. Vida Enim, I said, this is wicked. Ma Becky, and Ma Becky was that's serious. Presla Utumfo, I say, he's just lazy, but feels big and bossy. Gladys or say Anto, as many women go through the same situation in different parts of Africa. Marital slavery, pioneer. Comfort Grant, I said the man is a very bad husband. So bad. Patience Mensah, I said this one there. No. Jessica O, I said everything is wrong with it. Everything is wrong with it. Dorinda Owusu Adako, I said oh no. I said darling boy, Kofi Ima Stonzi, I said this man is wicked. 20,000 20,000 times wicked. Gloria Nana ya anyway. Ono kra de wa frey ordinance akatana no. Dennis Mensah also this is sad. And then Belly Bells ono so said the man is very wicked. When faka crabbing kan the first na message in the door so pa. Ruth Abena Makan with the end of that. I ran down so was very bad. I feel Nana ya Psalms or say this is wickedness. You should even carry either the load or the child. Why? This wickedness to the highest degrees are there now. Yeah. You fancy you. Now you trust some queen. I was and the woman say, as I said, or that's any day over why. Utima only day and pa. And the banner say, and so use the usual cotton handkerchief. Now the nam krumusa. O koso bibi na de apepa onsa o him na de apepa we yi na de ayi we yi na de ayi we anu asan de show butum na de nam sa da bi de aba as say no one obi yisu e floral disposable handkerchiefs and no de ya no kama ketwese etwi ba ko o de pepa ne ade a we anu disposing of kama na time bia na ho ate na mo ba bi no. Now the woman say ya na ketwa say be fit into your pocket or purse and now handbag easily. Now ne bonso nye dey available. E krum baby a Mansa enka odie. We a product of Delta Paper Mill Limited. O pedodwa body answer be phrase 0243 033 033. That's 0243 033 033. As they do informa Dominion about powder. Yeah, no, so when you be a boy amount me build a strong immune system. Now, as I boy normalize your blood pressure, feel our heart or kidney related problems. No, a boy feel was spine ya name ya. Now, say, there be a we adjuma kitu be out bread power, stroke diabetes na a pam. And they ubenya be ato where you have shops are doing in them. And can I say no, would do any chim a year and I watch herbal, a be our home. I feel Hallows herbal, Crash Dragland, Benya be or King's Walk herbal, wants to be or Little George Health Shop, Tema Community 5, who be Repatch Ventures on so Okoa on Sa, Ebeka, because we have phone call Gapson Pharmacy, and I feel on Hinana herbal, and also old traffic one, Ubenyabi ato Honomo. And yes, I dear now Abamodia Afre Angel Dominion About Center on 0543 158 195 and I 020 429 6449. Na ya Joso na the go be on here be answer their small. Your first day do quickly Emma Obasima seal and they AGI and Ghana Standards Authority Akabomu. I introduce you the Obasima seal, where a special seal I bought a food product I would be home our market. It's the only sell cook now cut food products be who say Obasima seal no one. A soldier to pesa food products no. 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Not just a big here at the amount umpum de 170 million brand pa. Obasima is good for Obibia, especially in Yanumay. It's Bomodia say Obama Iowa Simiana or food products be betono. A big cry air the Obasima seal. Choose Obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. They don't want to say, said down then now, so I can't home. I will feel consumed so Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Now, yeah, Trasso, Akoya Nimono, Mammy, oh, man, share, and you, mammy. Okay, you there. Measure my wrong later now. Maybe I wish you a happy birthday, Madame Fobako, a musician. And then I would may share in your na. Maybe on one in your now wish you a happy birthday. In the meantime, this one here says, good afternoon, brother. Please. Today happens to be my mother-in-law's birthday. Her name is Agnes Bwedua Amponsan. God bless her new age. For my granddaughter, Awo Bwedua. Okay. Good afternoon, Jerry. Please wish my niece, Miss Gertrude Adjoin Shrahagan, formerly of University of Ghana, happy Valentine's Day, though belated. May God bless her. She's celebrating the birthday as well because team message to us was may God bless her and may she age gracefully to His glory. To His glory. From Ma, Stella, Dad, Nana, Jerry, and then Jenny. Okay. And special greetings going out to you, Enoch, Edu, Kofi. Minu ya na bibi aboko de. Nyame nka ho ate. Bibi abe fine nyame te ase. All right, so Madam Free, your friend Akuya Emilia. Now, and ne birthday. So happy birthday to you, Akuya Emilia. On your birthday, I want to play your own song for you. Now my catch you say, Nyame edu besi wai. And this one features Francis Amon.
The Lord is my shepherd.
Da 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 da. Anyway, so come on, I'm more. nyame nka ho ate bibia be fine said the bibia me catch you no bibia be fine wate at the right time sure Mudi mo birthday ne nyina me wish mu nyina happy birthday na me fa mu nsie wate na me maame anti magi nyame ya adom a ochina ene ye na woda nanso minim ochina semti ena kwanya e wo hoidie maame wish me maame happy birthday in advance wate anti magi nyame hira wate ene wo futuo ene wo mpaibo I appreciate you so much. Auntie Maggie of City and City. Mommy, happy birthday in advance to you. Minim se ochina ewa wude. Nyame ti asi nko ade ode ochina beche. Na ochina. Ya due birthday no. Special one pa. Nyame sha mommy. Christian J. Frimpong ewo Onua FM ene Onua TV ene eye ne hokani na woda eye Mrs. Wendy Usabute Frimpong of Stanbic Heights. Wendy, happy birthday to you ate nyame wo sha nondomo ni nyam no ommo ho ban ommo mpom den kama pa so Christian say odo pa na wo sre nyame hira edema. Enjoy your birthday. Na me amade nyina minu abakan comfort your boy or eye Oberhausen ewo Germany ene eye wawoda obakoni. Happy birthday to you ate nyame onhyirawo na onhyirawo na onhyirawo kopim se obeye nhyira ekwan bi emu atutu bia nyame miebie ni nyina ntuma wate na fam yo onka ho na ommo ho ban onfa anije enhye wakoma mu oni wasema na onka wasema na omma woni de e wasetre mu e wo Yesu di mu. Happy birthday to you nyame fa sa wa wo dey so na de aka bi se de don wa brabo mu e ma brabo no ewie peyo on fa no mo. Happy birthday to you. Comfort your boy. Oberhausen, Germany. See what? Hey. Hey. And right the 14th of February. Na Ewaoda, your friend Hilda. Na Day Harden. Wefi wa o grandpa. Patrice papa ni papa few. AKA Osophagus. Nenchen. Oso se nyame hia de ma. Se nyame no mo no ka ho no mbon ho ban. Na oma ensi wiye. Enjoy your new age, Hilda. And enjoy the blessings of the Lord as well. Epacho achede na yede ma o man for beto then all new Samsung Galaxy S21 no. Ensan yo. You can say enkosi ochna sorry, enra the 14th of February. Nemu no. And they so ma ho ya ha, unso betimi adi bi yo. Yes, ubenya achede. So koto Galaxy S21 ibia. Ubetimi enya free phone cover. Galaxy Buds Pro or Live. The most talked about Galaxy Smart Tag. Free screen replacement from accidental damage. Nina. Ubetimi ayodia. And to Koswana Mount Sankan the all new Samsung Galaxy S21 abai. Nabun some perfume phone pan on Sankan. Yes. Gift must be claimed on Samsung members. Terms and conditions apply. And they anonia about my phone na di one dance here come from no question koso no. So fruity. Na emu day ye pa. Ya to aboase around come away so there non-carbonated natural fruit drink. Not just say free from chemicals bia. So fruity. You only 3 flavors. Orango. And only yede anka wo ya na yede aye. And I feel was zingo. And also yede anka kutu orange. Any ginger any yede aye akakadru. More day fruit. Any all cocktails well. And they as usual a mixture of various fruits. Any yede akabom ni yede na come apart. Remember I said there's no other soft drink here as refreshing and nutritious as so fruity. It will make sure some mounts I can hear so fruity. Know what me I enjoy it. Available on market baby. I'll put it up for Cedric Odoy. It was 0548 453 002. So fruity. Enjoy the goodness of a natural refreshing fruit drink. Patrol tie na ehye no soma me why ene de omunyina eyetiawa na anu na ye ka se ebibi kosi na Valentine na ye na tifa so ebe hadwen ne ade a ene wo akwanya ni nyina ne se we are still reminding you of the morning after Valentine's Day. Yes. And I know what you are thinking. Yes. Things got out of control. That's why na mistake BSCC ni ade ade a. Na ka wanya wadwen so obey e na akoye. Me bo a. Nemo mpacho hwe na wa ma na anyinsem. Ni nyina nso obefra muti for free contraceptive counseling. Not just say after Valentine. Etifa so a yetimi de asiye de ama. Enye sa pa de adu waso be hye. Pacho Fremuti sesi a 055 813 4375 055 813 4375. Na muti en sorte why. Yes ana ye ya. Ebe ye yi. Now, from the 2nd of April 2021, Abibia would do any bet him. A Momo agent point be a circle performing transaction with honor. As I said, Utimi a show a year of valid national ID card. And son, I yet me a wow. Yes, I did any Utimi Mumu cash out to be a. Oh, yeah, we say be a bit protected. Now, of course, we receive cash. 100 transactions now in a safe and secure way. That is why we go together. Just momo it everywhere you go. I know I want to share kakra. No. Timpa choya na washe no so my why. Very very important part. I say, Papa Bills, please tell Jerry that today is my birthday, so he should give me shout out. I listen to him always. with much love, and the whole crew as well. I'll be listening. My name is Sam, aka YG Gotti, from Canada. Okay, and then a happy birthday to you, YG Gotti, of Canada. Sam, Yamisha Wati. The patrol Betway says the Abana say opese wudi sika nenso akwa say bibia ni age say football nkwa ne ade no they say when asesem omo introduce games pina they buy on platform no so ani na betimi abet on ebia nya football nkwa no wani je ho ebia opɛ tennis what I say ebia opɛ hockey na ebi crowd dey no horse racing no wani je ho ne ade and they betimi abet on ni nyina. So now from football to roulette, esports to horse racing ni nyina no betimi abet on. Now say Adom 106.3, you get paid instantly via mobile money or EFT to your bank. Visit www.betway.com.gh to play today. And remember to bet responsibly, no under 18. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Betway, for the love of the game. Afe mame emmo sa enwumi na me fanye special dedication BCC ana yentoa so enkoye nim. Ajiwa munsam omonya onhwe nye ye PSC star o se ajiwa munsam enum wei na me body ama PSC star nikunu Mr. Enoch Esiedu, who is also celebrating the birthday today. Yes. So happy birthday. And come on, Mr. Enoch Esiedu. Wife PSC star. O say odo papa. Jeja. Enya sem ketwa. O se ne mpai bwa ne say. Nyame ebeko so na wahira wo. Na wahira wa. Na wa ma kwan ni na biebie. Omo ekitakita wi hira ni wi yedie mu nyina na enye omu nyina nsam. Na kwan ni mie. Say dedwa. I'm from Comani. So enjoy your birthday, Mr. Enoch Esiedu, husband of a PCS star. And this one's of course coming from your wife, PCS star. I was about to share somewhere due to your for quickly. Now you really sape. Sir Scott Betnasi. Neja and ya share the echo and the eba. Yes. Happy birthday, Uncle Emma Bernard Ekufu Ado. From your wife, Gifty Yabua Ekufu Ado. Her message to you. I say, may God protect you, may He bless you, may He guide you through the journey of life and make you continue to be a blessing to the world. Okay. And a happy birthday also going out to Mrs. Esther Amankwa of the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 3 Assembly. From all your children and your in-laws, and in-laws to be in here, I wish you a happy birthday. Mr. Amankwa, Emami. Okay, so your baba share somewhere due to your home say them di kan no you really say na ende you know say Scott on so atena say na wa boy nkomo around the world in 5 minutes no dey no so abre Abusi afa yi wasum na yenti asem we di tuonfo na awie yi. Great, and asem wa ye na ye che na ye de atu yen hofo no. Pretty simple. Asem no wa Prophet Kasemo say there is no middle way in life. So no matter what comes your way, keep moving with a positive attitude. I thought that one, mami you know simple na yen kone brain crack. Okay? Wo abotai bi ade asi wani so. Wo pese wo bo obra no edum pempensuo bi. But etoda udru baby ana eya ose wapem eya ose wasi ebi ana wadum finfin baby so you think say eye ene mami nya ne sa hwe mami fa ne say ya because of ebi challenges bi ana niam bi obstacles bi aba wakwan muti no o say ene me kra mami ntwa so mami fancy ya sa asem we kire say abrabo na aye bo no ye ni mami fancy ya eye mi nkobiem bia mami ntwa so ha yia bia sa de enka brabo no dabi utu kwan a fa ne sa utu kwan wo kwa ma no ne baabi na uti wiem hyem na wo kwa na modu baabi a mo ne nam eproso baabi na mo kwa na so e kwa de akwantu nkwa minya nkobiem undu destination a o sai wachi aye den ana o ka wide you can't stay somewhere in the middle. No, there's no middle way. As a so kwa kodu end of the journey na asi ni ahun se ba bia odu no wonko biem entie ne usi for mo na wa fa bag wapem wadu ba bia okọ o destination no eni until you get to that destination, until you get to that place you are going, no me nya wa adwen say akwanhia ne akwansidi e ba ba wakwan munti no ba bia odu no wo be ka hwa. There's no middle way like that. No matter what comes your way, you just have to keep moving. The other day I was telling you something on this same show. Say, abrabono ya boko ya nim, ya mo nyina faako, ena ya mo nkwa yachi. Say kasa na tie dia, anka ya wo na ahwe baabi na baabi abrabono ya no so ne ma mensan ko reverse na mensan enya kola na me papa na me ma mensan hwe me so that there will be no responsibility on me. But enya sa na bobra no. That is why I be wa kola o ye peche e be kakra wo ne transkro nye yie but wo ye ne kakra training na ne to age form na watena se nti we be sra house oh akra no say oh watena se say they say watena ne to age form afi wo hu se de tena se eno no nya hu nante wi akra wo nya hu ansa na achi wa wi ya guide wa assist wa kakra wo wi a ya san guide wa no tumi atutu step ta kakra no wanante na fe enum na no ebedu ba bi na wutumirika ebedu ba bi na hwihwiri. It means you are moving forward. Obrano your body kwa yanim. There's no middle way say my body na dum finfin tie until you get to your destination baby a wokono unni kwan say o ka say ena me udi we excuse ena we say 19 ena me jai na me twa so ha ya dabi me ntwa so like I said, I don't know what you are going through. Minim butaye si wani so ena minim pempenso bi a wadu ene akwansidie bi aba wakwan mu nti wopese odisi e wo ba bi a wadu na ena wiei I am here to encourage you say enye aha ene sese odisi come hot may esese otimi toa so na okọ wanim. So take note, said there's no middle way in this life. So no matter what comes your way, you need to keep moving with a positive attitude, and it shall be well with you. Find a way to go around the problems, the obstacles, the challenges that comes your way, and keep moving. Menina, menchaso, koko enim, nebesiye. Yen fast was that my proud sponsors. No quickly now face Scott Atnase. Yemon rem around the world in 5 minutes. Now and also yemfa entraso ema. And as somewhere it you on for aboafo no door master and Pobiman paint them. And you paint mu paint. Asort ni nyina ye de ma papa. And ne ye de hye bia ba ye say paint now, pay later. Beji yen Euro standard paint papa bi nefa ko twu dan ho. Say yes, schools, offices, government institutions, churches, individuals, real estate developers, beji paint nefa kwa your project no. We are near spread ya manu atobo ase twetwe nkakrakra. On pay na apede. Ye wire acrylic paint, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, afe wall primers, putty, paint accessories ni now in chain. Oba your doors are from one so. And they your top class quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Or over 100 designs and colors to choose from. Say yeah, exterior steel security doors, interior steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. Just say any type of door biano, you will be Abuja oben hu ye kira kwan. Ewo eye Pobiman. Ye Pobiman to booth wona. Ugina to booth wa wani tua shop no mu. And yes, our dear friend 0542 745 222 and our face 050 021 2447. Now on a door master and put my paint depot Edin Kitan. I feel MTN. So from the 2nd of April. So one more dia ma on sa anka a valid national ID card. Now one present to our brother Momo agent point be as perform transaction. And ya there. Betimi aye cash out to be ye way na ye de abowa ho ban se be betimi akoso receive cash 100 transactions now in a safe and secure manner. That's why we go together. Just momo it everywhere you go. I feel time herbal mixture a draw aye di two malaria fever ase prekope abusia say malaria fever nko dia treatment no enam time herbal mixture so eneba ahoto beba ahoden beba bese agina na so bim ya na wanu mu atu ntimi di wo de nunu bi ye be solve problem ni na wona mo ye nyina beko nembo pese ho sisi ho so ntemu a ye recommend KNG about capsules na ma o me mini bi a eno for general well-being ahoden beba ntempa na King's Walk Herbal, Repatch Ventures, Ray Jones, Zido Seba, Nina Okanshi Drug Lane, Afe Ekus Pharmacy, Buy Class, Larry, and Awudama Pharmacy, Nina Ewo Eye Ashaman, Tribe of Judah Okaswa, Pharma Trust, Ewo Wager, Eye Wager Junction Wa, and Afe Subit me afraid 0244 417 669. Now the do be on here biano, ye dia somo. Baby I read it. I said to Dada, says Scott Atnase, around the world in 5 minutes. You know who is here. Says Scott. Says Scott.
Jerry.
Baby, here when you choose a Valentine, what do you papa?
Jerry. Menkwana na meda.
Oh, die.
Jerry, menkwana na meda. Obian surprise me.
Sir?
Ayasamo.
Obian few.
Jerry, that's what you mean, Mohammed.
Show when you choose.
Meniachi.
Yes.
Jerry.
Now we are walking there.
Jerry, they are Kenny. I know Kopona Mania.
Ebeye. Now me class is stretching. Right. You are very fine.
That who's abroche for no title pa.
Abroche for where
me welcome you to Ghana. They are welcome to Ghana whereby are taxi drivers at a WhatsApp group one more catcher or who baby a police barrier.
You don't mean it.
Oh, Adai. Ghana no.
Taxi drivers WhatsApp group.
WhatsApp group.
Group no sa chat you.
Na bra Jerry and
wow.
Assembly a war a kura anything. JJT.
On the Accra Kumasi Highway.
Yeah. Well, sir, and then no meaning say he has to me call requesting you more. No, Monsieur, you say what you chubby. Now I call requesting you. Say, Mamma, you way, mammy, you told me which you understand. I hear no so Genasian, police for you. Was it? Yes, mammy. Mamma, no, ma, oh, I may have told you what you were. Sana, I didn't see a police. What friend dance a boca? Sana, you know, so police if you or my minute them. Oh, I minute them, Roger, or my minute them. My goodness, Roger, and I meant to bomb. Oh, there you are, was safe. And I meant to bomb, and I said, mental bomb, and the moment from Coboco, my phone Cobo, and your main castle back on say. Okay. And they Sebaco. Oh, what day? We are not a visa question with them. Okay. Brother, yea. If Obano tea, if she can finish a plate of rice, if she can finish a plate of rice without touching the meat, she is able to keep her virginity till marriage. Oh, trigger cancer. Oh yeah. Obano. If she can finish the food, yes, without touching the meat, yeah, it means she can keep her virginity till marriage. Allah. Research. I know. A man on research. He say. Be able to do that. And then you're Konoboko. Okay. Roger, me have your question, Bibisa. Intimate bisa. Okay. But brother, we are all professional barbers. When it comes to our private part. Professional barbers. Oh yeah. Say it do say we what they no so now. We are all professional barbers. When it comes to we are all professional barbers. Yeah. We are very careful. We are very careful. We are so bad correct. We are men correct. Obu on person yin ho ne ho, obu on person oh God. Ba mi da na me pe kwabo. Jimmy. Efu ha ya me pe ne zagra. Rada da go post meji. Yeah, na the machine. Oh, the machine. Oh. And yes, how any problem. And your going. And no, I said, only more. You pack us. A dozen jack. United Kingdom. You're going United Kingdom. Now you're fast away. Roger, if you ask now, you want to. And you may be not a Tyson. I became United Kingdom. I wouldn't say England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, or near the capital town, London. So you're away. Yeah. I'm a prime minister. I'm in any down for. Oh, yeah. 2016, Abishiano. You can have a coffee over Miami. Oh, okay. Your friend Boris Johnson. Yeah. I'm a prime minister. Yeah. Now, as someone see our United Kingdom, they say, Yache Abrante be already 21 years. 21? Yes. Who say you were homeless people our United Kingdom? I'm the street is on the are you aware? Yeah. Yeah. Now Abrante and me nim dear Hano. Almost sorry biano, now as a Yakumobi out of street. A police for you in Shishimu. You know, a police for Shishimu, and it's Abrante. And baby, do you muku be a woman see and a number giant Italian? It's no, how much not to my woman years she will say or no, and I ate the same because almost several times. Yeah, Muja, I want Italian. Nehin, I'll call it. It's no, a branch and a home, I can. Oh, our police for. And I did about young man say, only homeless people. So what will come over you are over your side? Yeah, it's not just a no. Australia. One of the best countries I'm a person. Okay. Now, when you say Australia, no, almost a country be almost no English no more. But I'm brought from a different background. Yeah. I'm brought from me. What order?
It's one of the places I want to visit.
Oh, do you want capital town?
Minimal. Minimal.
Unim. Capital town.
Sydney.
Say more.
Oh, there be a born the way. Oh yeah, Mamika say medical catch early as I'm called and have him Osama. Oh yeah, Mamika say minimum.
Not just a walk.
There be me call. What kind of catch say it's one of the places that I want to visit.
You want to visit?
Yes, very soon.
Yeah, I see. Australia, a beautiful country.
Yeah.
Now, bro, for me, never do her. Me generally want Mentias, so I'm in
and the men, you know.
And the men, you know. I will be a yawn in Australia, or 4 years. Now, Omoti Cemetery. Omoti Cemetery.
Okay.
Now, yeah, not a slow, and no decided as idea. For the fear to go, no, Obechichi Cemetery and Nanoso. And the Oka no wash.
Obechichi Cemetery Nanoso.
Say be a year
for Nano.
No chichiso.
Wow.
Why, yes, said we are 10 years, and this is your see. Fear no
echo Unsrobium
and your Ghana cemetery. And she
then they entijai
Intino or cemetery by person used to know what chap. I say now my fears are gone.
Wow.
Can you imagine?
Wow.
Oko Australia, dear honor. Rajari, Uganda. East Africa. Omudi Uganda shilling.
Okay.
Omo currency. Omo English and Swahili.
Yeah.
Yanko pardon se mete Swahili kasa.
Oh, there's a casa de Otibi.
Oh, ade.
I was on joining on Facebook right now. Says Scott. And now whatever all my lectures no.
Yeah. Until omo code +256.
Okay.
Uganda no. Capital town, Kampala.
Yeah,
Kampala, any capital town. Uganda, East Africa. And someone is a radio presenter. Or ye, Juma, radio be a in Uganda. Your friend, Hunter Radio.
Okay.
The girlfriend, I call the second to the minimum.
The girlfriend?
Oh, are they? Now, I didn't
radio presenter.
Yes. Girl, no, your friend's a receptionist. Station.
No,
sports presenter.
Think careful and say sports presenter say Kobe Stone. Nanka, oh yeah, Jume. Na a reception way. Na receptionist Frima. On any
yeah.
And after I did chin, Frima this kind
Thursday and a joke. Na again, no ball. Now, manager no church story no much. Manager me story na ya me free.
Yeah.
Some dey ja mechini enti. E na Swahili kasa na metinti na me ne ka Swahili kasa. Inti me ne kasa na no kire se o. O ma twempe na kra mo gya asen aka abu. Ya ban sports dia. Ya sports dia. Akwa no bi ntimi no.
Obi ntimi no.
Ase akwa no bi ntimi no. Yenti no ekoye sa no Friday na no jomuti de na radio no. Manager no waje estate ama presenters. Ti ase multimedia hana.
When account be also why dem are you?
Waje dan mo
radio run. Waje estate ama workers ni na. Tinka mo owe. Technicians in na obi a on flat or obi.
Yeah.
And edwuma mu de.
Edwuma mu de pa. Edwuma mu.
Mo. America kra ba ji.
Edwuma mu de pa. It's a brother with your buy any.
Papa Bill sent you on the mama 5 bedroom.
Brother,
and you were more than you go. 2 bedroom.
Brother, say akasakasa buy you know. You name the buy. And now, just say ode sekano ato abranti ni. So
I just say
wakunu. Yes, wakunu. Enti no unsa papa ba no unsa isansa mo bembe no. Ti afa ne say me na me ne me ge ne ko a.
Yeah.
Me ye de papa mu na sa de na yesterday.
And the apartment obi a hwehwe ne ho. Ana mo ate. O mo ate say Kobe Stone ni ge no.
No ko.
E ko a.
Enti no omo bop no no a boy na na girl no pese odwane na on che no boy na brand ne da wa moje nyu wakuno watini tie friso
this world
the order no
ya asemu
brajere
ye
me wa question bi bisa
me
obi a wo ye nyansani ahu se asamo ba otie left na we tie right ana before our judge asam me question pese me bisa brajere ochena nyame adoma me ba beji answer ne say adenti ana ye ntie bronsam part na so ye nyina ye tan sa
wait why sorry ko
brajere atimo da ye free club bi dai jejebi let us walk
ubejabi
jevel kapel let us out the Saturday ye be che o mo fans
why I was here fancy mo boy ho na fe yemfa irrigated sports so entrance na sana no yemfa we clay ekwemu kakra nza wa be ndey yemfa we ni odo kakra na Valentine ascension saba afi ni mu bi wa ye be di e oh my Chibia na dia get sports to Asudama but Pachu TV nation so very very important pa. You need to call Muti. What I say? Na yama free contraceptive counseling. Cause Valentine ebinumu edi na omo eni ni kwan paso. Enti wan hwe ya na ebuakam. What I say? We the morning after Valentine's Day. So utimi hwe na akeka nema 2 years na say mistakes there itimi ba but when they do happen so utimi hwe kwan abefa so abe preparatory na nkofa ansem bibiri ansan to aso ama enutini say call Muti for free contraceptive counseling na bibia nko yi from our phrases here 055 813 4375 that's 055 813 4375 055 813-4375. And they ain't come for Royal drinks amount. You must so to be brave. Yes, Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, as well as Royal Cocktail. We don't want any the perfect flavors out here. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal drinks in so many flavors. Royal drinks, you go like them. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 50 pesos. We are another quality product Ifikasa Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. For bulk purchase, no afraid 0262 351 251 and our 0272 133 373. na ya sort o kama abuso ayen traso ne mbonwem ya man penifo nkasa na fe yentime man komonko e wa bra ye de Irrigated Sports traso ama e wa Adom 106.3 FM. Of course, Ghana's #1 radio station.
Well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Irrigated Sports. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Enti openi wie ne sape na amanya mini part waso.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. Na debia miti Irrigated Sports. There's no day minti Irrigated because miti manage na me stress
Yeah. Oh yeah. Over.
Open program one dedication fast sports one tie Irrigated Sports or Adom 106.3 FM. The FM is John.
Good. Kwame Akwaba.
Akume Joso. Trade upon Adom Kwaku, ya tempa no dangers and many man.
Na adena I said there and then over more for me.
Oh, that because Kupe need call from.
Oh yeah, sure.
No smacks on that.
Ebia na shaman America saying so. I say
type when I say Ebola. Maybe an ankasa de my jaw can him now with toy.
It way why there.
No smacks to Ebola.
Na say we say who the ankasa do be we jaw come. Now who the ankasa do be we jaw come there just obi there.
White one I am use. I know yesterday feel like in the brain. Maybe if it's a sisters about but I know my Ibako na me jaw can you.
But eno no kra no.
And the bomb come.
There be eno na show na kasa. Na we show na kasa. We better than eno.
Kwaku ade we anyase am fan kasa.
Na me kasa but some is me we no bi. Me we no bi but say me share no na me kasa. Me brechen say me share we bi na. Surgical one e bi na. We no ema o kasa we okay kakra dan sa N95 us a handle no. And the obre.
Kwaku na adam wa ya gede glass at chain mu ya san ya share yes as am
say sisi no wan say kane na nka yura ha dia yetimi ba sisi wan say ba bi adunimu eden
just am just enkrofo fa na ha ya na because us na na do buy o ka say yenya party ya no ko bisaya na do kire me say omo yari bi dida dem no so obi a so me kokko pa kofie yie no
dabi o say ena na last na me ka say wan ya nyenya bi no ya wan tutu ya no na wan ya no tutu yimu no wan na no wo hwo wan ka se mu a enye eya na party eya na party idi anu na anti na na so ba ise akwa ise no do say party na ehu pa
ane omo so a bia ya omo no aya omo kai ba be omo nya ni yie
minim bi eto omo na de sha party ne sa no unum say so far wan ya koe no ukasa wo find percentage no unya be up to even 5% omo ka say wan ko nya no political rally
obi ni ka ko o tire me ka ya
obi ni o ka sa
abi pe ko rally o
so wan ya ko rally wow wan temu pa ya we kan faso sa na ade aso obi ni wa covid bi chi na okotra ha o ka ya say o tari me ko krofo we ali asina won na ya enye party a eye enye party a eye sa ai Prophet Odro on there so bim say na obi emu ananu yi e ma gift kunu so etisi akira e ho sem ba ye o ka say wen kana sem a wen emu ni dina wen fa na iridin kwata
say omo kana say omo kada omo fa na iridin omo fa na iridin I know you are right e jeri no am nim de enti akofa jeri wife kwaku covid no call from and because yeah want to do Accra Central corona iba nyina no sa area ho kra men ko hoda ba na de na ahia se me ko hara ko me nua ko video do wo Accra Central kasankasa na kwaku me ko no ne ho no fa ba bia o mo sesika no on se ba bia gawe fo bebre bi wo
yeah minimum pa
why chapel no opposite one
yeah
na max no ko fo but almost sesika na kasa de there was no single person You say a bit of money. To be also the market dollars are corona and Jimmy.
Tanawe, I got make a phone come.
So, we knew some Jamaican one.
Mahua,
stores not be brave.
Yeah, Mahua,
Rollins Park. Not a single person. It's a better about education. I and the beer, and Casa or Mutimu. The air can be a want to the Omanos will find a way to educate all those people in different languages so that they will understand the gravity of this COVID-19. Because they don't seem to care.
Yeah. When to be a case.
Someone make a video dancing. I'm not going to try my business. I mean, what I said, Professor was saying, go be and was you. I'm found not even a single person. They are going about their business.
Yeah,
so nicely, almost says Kamako for. But could I say, hey, be now costs $100. Now, the $1,000, not the beer can dollar, not the amount. We live in a country, so we $1 of a cross, but to be in the Bible, or they are sure. It's $1 no dear. And I say this idea.
Me for being shared $1.
The first $100 they could see a Bible. The first $100 I boom.
Me for being shared.
So you be program on a car swap. And I'm mommy $200. And I cost $100 now can cry. My father said wallet even poor. And could be a Bible in Proverbs.
Now, baby, I'll be a progress or not, and then the atron will be additional.
I am a favorite progress, me for Bible power. I don't know for reason.
I'm just a baby, a progress, baby, I'll be or not what was a day.
They do actually what they also.
Me particular place now be now this kind of show on a message, Ben and Neil Honor.
The Bible Bible, I'm in favorite, you know, progress. Meaning the NT, open a Kaya, Matias, the other Kaya. I'm sure that Tias you. Proverbs in the kind of Tias power. It means some of our Bible power. Now a Proverbs are make.
Okay.
It means yes, kind of penamid of so it says Cano. Say we back up a Ghanadiano 5.8. It's a grab you can cost $1 is equivalent to 5.8. The $1 $4 no in the agro. Kwaku I'm not here funny face. In sense somebody buy and I say Nini home commodity and also I say Kenya. Na ka hwene nya hwe kra ene na de free ko enti na sem masem asam no ya twene se na abasa because ono ya social media no de kwatena enti me say omo pass no social media I don't blame the people because ono dey na busu afie o me ka say otiase ono ka say funny face
and is it good
say ono me bai ono ka say Facebook ono na ya na busu afie I ono odi na asem nyina free na yire
ene ono dey na himfie mom
As a bush of the idea,
yeah, he
na him fear in the home. Before you saw a horse on almost bend, sir, because maybe a touch up one year down. And in 70 by no, and if your video did be, you'll say approach for at church, my idea. Video not make 100 year, no calling him, never do harm any annual. Many annual, so not maybe also not funny faces, so I need ye. So approach for Kitan was the head, Joe, what from Sakonda, Sabaka fracture. Who's a good apology for no matter what. Was that transform when you from the ultimate to him for Sana 7 million or year in K. Now, and then you said you could pay more court on the court to say, young father in court. Socratic Hospital for 2 weeks. Young father going to hospital, that guy. Young father called maximum 1 to the maximum.
Corona, no corner, bro. Only mention mass.
I'm finding come be a rancor for arguing. Okay. I'm say. I'm going piano. I'm going to pass alarm down.
And your pantai. In that goes,
you're going to salam down, man. Maybe you're going to give me out pantai.
Okay. Now, young boy, and I dream
because 7 o'clock court one.
It's so.
So I just now your cousin says any more anti-mua
at the tone to
my funny meaning say I'm pass or yare and I said trend me and why sign your money there on castle.
So for trending you go to this
police for 2 extent police for 2 for okay see by I mean a case by police for 1 call.
They just says I court and I went to the court. I drove myself.
I say you might say no 1 call.
I court a court. No, but even if police ebechi wofie no mo de abufuo ebehia okra won so obetimi ne akasa such that enye gidigidi and you go with them and I'm making
It's me the police for here, the family no, but say, son of behavior and tears with the only two police in one house, or by the open, as I'm now Kuma. Say, media, you know, hospital now, Bemono, and I made a cassette, funny in my year, do a crana. I said, there was a just a in the church. Because I hear nearly about 2 of you, as my way about them, I find in crime. How could I make out here? You tell me, who is on you? Again, the more, are you at all?
What they are all kind of, or or give presidency. What has someone all kind of one of the videos?
I see,
also mention that you know, what call a Ida no church. And now, there's another video saying, Omo na kwa akoto sell amanaba but one person onya do betimi abenase na all great men kwa omo da sell pe Mandela kwa sa Rollins so sa nti omo de na ko sell aba no obey great
I want me G Dominic D as that video me review na me GD say am pound
o de on here ka say ahini be ba ni all great presidents you
sad
oh man
yeah best say adopter for no omo nti omo ni ehwe no na a problem bi
na ehwo no so obema won ya hwe ne de
ma wo so post picture we say wako aba wako number ade du fie ojane kada chi ka so bandam na chi o yesi I still I didn't know wako number but didn't and best talking
na me can say in the report no judge in state he said they shouldn't let him go omo for 2 weeks now police for no engard no now on for 2 weeks no receiving treatment now and they are kwatwa you chance about the back from the commercial break
commercial break was about just say ya hospitals no conditions e wo ho no ensha dan ye na say akwasalam da yeso bi wona nso tokra enyu asabe ka fa to obi a ditirimu kan kakra na enso san enyu ngu ni so te bi ya so say e bi on the on na ho agia ya rehwa ma be say akọ ne apartment ni mu akọ tran be bi adwo ne ho
ene ze nkusi aga o
ajo ko adam ne be sana be so
David nkusi aga because onya kope e bi answer say wakotwa picture there you see and you know one thing that is not also helping that's according to me though on say me no sane manema we ni na start ye na from that no many share one time I spoke to him since then me who say yeah my friend there are some of us on fire calls because on himself friend na o catch and say I do anyway or you know so he will not even answer your call. Me ya na my son sending message na account last time send message also of a friend back but on yet so what I say me no baby am who say a problem omo a follow no on social media no
social media
there are a lot of people say no I'm not saying they shouldn't follow him. Most of the followers no are not helping issues. Yes. And you see, a dangerous idea and one share ya ube dini panuachi na yodium. Meanwhile, a 2 hour corner too. Most of them cheering on. Oh no, yeah, say, oh yeah. But you see,
F the police.
You see that thing, and no. In a way, essential crime who say, oh no, I there now. These people backing me to do what I'm doing, so let me do it. Even when he knows that what he's doing is not right, because I'm out for a year and but a year nanka, young friend said 90% of the followers baby nano. Ebet me and in Nakasa, a chance a minute, baby, I didn't do no. Maybe cry said on why cut it, wait there. Cut everything. Now, those various posts, because sometimes when you read some of the things he writes, and look, then now a week.
I'll go off social media.
Yes, this would have solved problems now.
Just for a while.
Yes, just for a while. Maybe I will be put it in the accounts now on the whole crowd. Oh, master, Anka be Beku. Then later, you come back as a new person altogether. How you even carry yourself? Charlie,
plus I'm not retiring. Tell them you are the talent left. Tell them you are the talent right.
That one also. I feel I did not ban this.
What's when you left to the Abono? I plus a talent. I remember who video
Say, or say afraid they be so.
The tea bread rasta power. As a tea bread. This on the tea bread class on the.
I say,
no, I'm calling man, I'm calling my as I say, industry players. Once son of you now on man hot time. Kwaku on your time on one casa. So OJ Ella and Bella and yes, and you're for the Ella and Bella. Yeah. Why you know you say I'll fight with my last blood for Ella and Bella. Sport walk or two to Ella and Bella.
Baby.
Kwaku make out here. It's been your own here. I don't hear the way you know. Mr. Doctor for me say, about when you're on and tour. Sana mrane kan court say omonye ne nto. Yeah. Omo hwere man nsan ko social media Instagram. Nsan ko dey say Doctor for no kwanya correct. Oba mo dey amfa ne to. Kwaku enno ne adum light to area mu na kotokobon no te scores.
Na adum light.
Yan so. Yan so yes.
There be. Me there enro na me radio amatimi TV so amatimi. Na my oh just check it. You
me from internet yes.
Ah. Really?
And I'm saying, I'm tiffin and a nice help for you.
2-1. Yes, no 2-1.
Sanomoka. Eh. I want to go to a good point.
January episode.
The company you work over.
January episode. Okay, yes, I.
There was been a car.
Oh.
What is cause say 2-1. Eh. Kotoko say first go na.
Minim dey.
Match now. Africa, and I said, okay, Africa, Africa, Papa Bay, Africa, Sue Bay. And I'm going to say, Fabio Gamma, born Kenya. I'm going to confirm, coming say, hey, people born here, so crow you okay. Aquaku, some of them say, I said, Fabio Gamma, a ball, if you are shocked to call Africa, and this is a Ghana, born I have no. One thing, I say a league, no. So if Kotoko want to represent Ghana,
more than Chenley, yes.
If Kotoko want to represent Ghana, they should set up and play good football.
Sure.
No, we have Fabio Gama, no. Fabio Gama, one player or more ball. Come on, get training, Papa, no more. I wanted them to win. A win for Kotoko, a win for all of us. So they cannot just here. Because I say they will Ghana name. Even though I said I'm coming to join them for Bompire money, but we need to come go put to say I'm a barber show. But we say I'm putting a woman see now on the bed. I'm say I'm more baby. I'm say I saw Bampuna a Titicum Grove. A bunch of Nippona a Kunipa is up and Udum Saben.
But they trust them referee.
One person genius.
And then my man corrected back could be our kinds of money. And will be the diaba. Simon and I call Peter. The Oka has a Nimo and Timu to almost and Canasa. Almost a Nimo, Dimbo, Dimbo and Timua at the tone to my. Yea, Quaquino Nimo. I Nimo, a Dimbo and Timua at the tone to my. Yeah, funny fair to over. I buy a boy when I Timina, a better than a tuma. Wagu, that is I.
Oh, Yamiado.
Now, Eti, the acquire and a Sasa, who was someone make also say na o de ba tie kwaku ansane ya be ko no so kra no de ametiti nsu eye no kra ese mo se o ade na anye kra na Fabio de odi agro panti no eno kra na ya chese moni aso
wa na kasa
ene na nam from mu ankrofo kika
na ba de na me kai
na ba me ba de tini ni bia na
and I'm saying near my light of to be just cause everyone.
And Kumasi as I take on the way to Chani. And I'm conform a boy from
Okay, Mammy, one casa was segment of the game.
What I like now, and
one coming from you, Gamma.
Obeni as I tell you when the master, you have a cast of protocol, a good when the master, Onyano Quaffo. Protocol team, a team in progress. I do build football and on or Mexico. Yes, Obeni Tina airborne, and a whole new team last year for Africa. Or more airport and run. Omubako, I'm telling you, one player, Emmanuel James, and one player. Last year, Africa, yeah, but not come home.
And the other players, we are keep first players now.
Ma ole Manu.
I'm opening also more country.
Kata kwa mi semi oli. Oni me gije kinisa na katela. Katelo.
Kwame ti. Ose oli. It is a son of bed there and the phone better no ato aso da.
Everybody know what you are kasa.
Ah, dear.
Eti obeka na kwa tumana.
Wakatum ti to.
All right. Me da si bebe. Bagu?
Yeah.
Eti de woman say. Sa yes, a chief one and one boy. And yes, 7:30 as a house. And I say it's our life. They've been very consistent in Africa. Maya or Toya are not in the But the last 10 years, Africa competed with Congo. Ghana took the Daniel Femema, I'm on Africa. You should for a minute or so. Yeah, more whom they said you want to for the. But in all fairness, you have a kind of prayer. Anything Papa Dia or Ghana has no protocol. League ya able to see a coronavirus crisis league. Protocol number one. Sabemwa open for league table no matter.
And yeah, pa.
Yeah, I can't Africa.
Oh, Pame. I can't be no matter. Oh, Obeni, Enra, you lose match enough from there. Which means I'm phone coach or I coach. So him say, your assistant coach or one that should the team. You see a lot of promise in the team, but technical direction, me so say akakaka. And yet the first football nation second. Or then we are soon get a mere football nation.
Yeah.
African records of one. I was sure to say the Ghana, I said there was one. If you know which year, near for say, and can they be better than the end of you here? Player, and no couple penalty saying, among artists among poor police there. It do time I supported the NFL. Your penalties I have boy in recent times and not because they are name. And I have a penalty for a penalty. Why is it as a boy penalty? South Africa, yeah. Yet you not come with that. But your penalty as a boy now. I have solid penalty. Luck, you
penalty, Asher. The Asher, I penalty.
And you know, penalty from the bridge.
I said, you are from you.
Your penalty, you want I'm passing. In football in terms of penalty, Papa, my penalty, you are originally bought me there. If I were in a question, not a pack of people. And also, a football, all the arguing is not on 9 number. It will be quite choke at Arabia. I said, you're ready to buy so there be any one from your penny. And I come by son and one from bed, you cannot be a child man. I am great. I am Kuma.
Manubian from here.
What does it? Eti Oma a ticket, coming now, no one come more to and thank everyone for pass or bois.
You
of what? Obani, and my near my call to a park and you can't get the one. We have no. But that's burning in I can't want to. Moon Kobe. We are Makofa, number 50 and I'm to a great hour.
Oh. I've had a house of folk out to a dear at Tiakotoko out of Africa. Boy.
On the Mimbo, so I didn't work with that. Yes, one of the watching him. Obani, on the Mimbo, but I didn't work with that. Watching Obani,
what line is so? Yeah, I am Penis and Bine. You've been a medical Africa. No? So far from 2010 up to 2020, no performance. Our Africa. Time. 2010. Penal stage. Any year move free move. I know. Penal stage. Max and Association.
Also oguzu she mask ni se jai.
Mask nti bro fun de wuti
you must na boss award ne kwa.
Kwa me say ASC Lingere. Team we e wo Senegal 2010. And we go free mu. 2013 first round JSM. Yes.
Me pa cho na mo abobo sa 10-year record ni nyina. Any modern bon. We did that 10 years now to focus man. How's a focus nim now to kotokoto. Okay, after to asuma me. Kotokoto ko won tweta kwaku. After to asuma me. Omo baby said in the land of the blind and the one eye man is the king. And kotokoto be Africa. Who ko so won tweta. So right now how to focus the blind team. Ghana teams in the blind. And when you back one eye I'm the kokoku e mas. Kwaku. That's bebre. 2014. The first team kwaku. Yeah. Me fufu abenti besi a Chelsea record na me di ma win
nana ansa na obekọ no wo
oh yeah
ayi na anya yi be yi ntino de achie no ma hwese metimi ayi ana opani ayi kakra so oh o se che se yenya yi anti
ba SSO se si
kodi fufuo de awo mu ni say ento ankosi ya wo na de be si asintiro de ye be di nkomo why
no problem
ai
18 for so ye
Mrs. Obin birthday ena ochina so ye anti Magin's birthday ti me de no so aka wa ma ai ndi
ye bende
ya wa sembo no po me po amafro
the way I see you when money edu amu de na ya
di me po amafro na ya hwe de be why
ana ene yempeka bi empanche o na
o say
obi ko to civic yan gas kali mo yan ko man Honda Civic bi kama pa
kwaku kodi fufu wa na
ala bi nya fra why
ma se bro
en na kwa na me de nya fra mo hwe mo yeso
you ate
na wo fesu yo na ye de du mo ampa na wo
aba area mo ba
wan che se e wo fa no fa mpote wo
ana me ke won se gira I say who the uba ne you know ma brother so be Atlantic one I read
asoko
why does it 18 one day
koloko di fufu
and Valentine's Day you said you was spending day how
me and my day was packed from Anopanas earlier now bisam kotoko match from catchers the whole day I couldn't listen to radio I couldn't watch TV just nah dream
how coffee the auto Valentine's so come
me coffee am kodai
so the Valentine now will be on trend rather than the best special
oh Debbie normal bed yeah I'm doing my bread
yeah so be juma the boat 2 time na me kwa ne tintin to me nya be di krom sa dia me ba na se hwe ada tin se wa kra na sa na makọ kwaku na Valentine na me sa dia chance be sisi yeko ba ta me set here for se mumra Facebook se sia na mumra me hwe akwa we no makọhwe hwehwemu dia che ne se ono obi yire na ko share ba bia omudi Valentine no na we na obi koyi oba ne kunu no asutire na wo tin won akọ ba bia ono eji oni ho no
ne kunu tin won
ya no akọ ya no ne yire no wa musa na sam ane se oto share aye be ma yi a wode ne yire akọhwe ba bi
asade na mafo guso ye
na the otwa video no to say okase hey the woman is married I said it the woman abi atie for the one voice niti but me the woman is married I told you the woman is married na kwande all shema ni blow
etige ya ne to kase agina we ono ne we no
omo na twa video no na kase de omo na go chire oketwa no do the man na chire boy no
atie for hwe security man no so Russia ko no patanto kwa no atie for mo join your Facebook no so na mo hwe why we have Valentine celebration gone bad that is obire
yes
and on in ko hotel
that man no edi oba no entertain na enim de atia mema bi e what time sa bebre sa
there be say ebia o suspect no dada what I say etinu opese ohu say
oba no say red and the countryman no so say red
say Valentine
o plan
it is a man no ne obema fofo na oba wi ne yire no e na ekuno
oburu nya so mo kwakwa na ntubulo ni bi
so obobo no
kwakwa so ye ko na so me hwe o
ekura ntokwa na no mo
two different things okuno obi ko oto no oto
but the fact is that enti obi yire na wako tabiri ne se vals day wono ne kwa na film ben so
why be wa omunnim ebi wo so omunnim
iti betimi aba se oba no lied to him say on why
ya eno wo ho
oh Charlie
eno wo ho
ba oba so yes ade na timi wo den pa o
etasi kwaku
wo de kan kra che no na se still no person de obey no hu say ne de okoye nie ana hu de mi chire
so the difference between man and man say omoye man and mema na suban mu se nipa de nyina ye pe say na mema mu mutimi fun man no so na mema
no but most men are omokofa e ma fofo no when they are married mostly they let the other girls who know say they are married and still they want to go out with them
because most women wouldn't mind dating a married man but men are afraid of other people's wives
okay, but no so my problem is that any who oba no a wonim say you are married no why don't you tell the man say you are married say the man why no e kotwempna wo so timi ka che man say they are married
because Valentine's Day me foul me say me work girl na me so okunu anya Valentine's Day na me ko hwe no say dem cannot hear
yeah obekope single girl bia na you bia don't worry
na oba no sitimo
there be the fact is that still hwe kwame problem yen ka de ni oba say when you ready say ube take you on that journey ni say we dey ba bia manya wuru na asia and you don't do it because once you get married ni there asia ma wo
the problem is the way
you feel na san ko really other side
the way you our reja ye ni ntia mema bebre wa mu mpamu kunu no onya kunu ni kunu ko kunu ka bo no wo
na mpa na ko wan ne
wa won na wie na ni ja ye na eden ebi on na wo 4 on na wo 3 Kroma say no e mema tai jai ma
Kroma so de kokonsa de push e ya no to kwesi e say de why no wa speed bi o de ko ne yo mo na ko akore
aso twa koma dum TV
as an international reporter obi a hwege back use o che white he ne rush ko ani
enti man we de no ho kire ne pa otum say boy no onim no enti na man ne bo no a omoni bi no
e betimi aba say o suspecting that say why
will you follow your wife out? Someone suspecting her.
And I'm making it in a mind and to no send the macho. Dear Bassa, who bear Macono, and no one said to you. I said, Cronfort. We have my said that you want to be Cronfort, who we had here. Hey, so much walk, yeah, chow. I'm not bosom. You see that thing. A Bassa penise of Viminaira. And Connie Park will bet me up Bonopound and no Monday, but as I say, I dare not boy you, know. Naturally, not. A week, you know, but a dear Benton and Mark and Member, Etimi Husani, and still on that sort of share. Well, who's an any cheat you? And I may share video. There will be on my share or ban on anything or don't know or don't know or did don't know as soon such that on per se or ban be free life. And I want life in yes, and I want to say, them for being so CHD into a bassa, whatever it takes. I will bet me yet to clear off sir and the team may be from Kokun Kofono. Can't tell you of free prison about yeah you quite program be your year no. I want to just say or what Aquano. I said on a year air that you and I come up for and I say 1 hour year. What is before their channel? The same Aqua ya as I by reading as I by reading oh and so bought to no de ko won won se tie wa mu atwanse abese 2 weeks later no wu ye tie jeli no man no ko dem so many years let me change interview no too bad it also on the offer be the catch and say obeko ja wa de ko for ba for nya hwe wo de on fa so fe no wasi oba no for so se dem you the blame ni man no wo for no chen se on ko so mare oba ni yes ni ko de se wa kwakra o oh afa no wa jama yes you know ni yes ni na wadi o and na make say enye enipa ni nana they are able to let go of obia on any call out and now love is not meeting you midway. And no make that be tie. Odona, on say odon you level so. Obi me do be such that we are den e sa onipa kuna. Ah you unto do be etimi ka say akoye de jama obey enough for baby and bibi. Oh na ye ka because utimi say everything the woman is doing is just so wrong and the people around you now sees it. Yet on not on say me dem pema de sa. Physical. And I make no young people on one. On my ear, no, on one to Uncle Jim. Yes, I'm out for between back concern be ditch and and so still no on one or pen out and beshan motor moa. We are dang or so on one. It is our Nipana say, I'm sure, yeah. wo na waba ho na wo be we no obetimi ayo ewo kwan bi so ayi wa firi ho a obetimi ayi wa firi ho no yeah because when him say won't eno belusu ne dofo na wontimi nya ne de eno beyi wa firi ho
oni suban no uyi we kro besa ko fa foforo
say na ya no mu ni oh di wo be
how long are you going to kill people what could they make a look
why about you obeku
how long are you going to kill people
you're fine
and you what do you want to
guess you so guess those who kromo guess those who krom ya utete guess bi nkomo e bi mo honum kra chese say yeah no nye obi kra nye no hello hi po
the whole of last year obi anka love you
see that thing
the whole of last year
chese won wo hwa enso mi nim bo se krofo yire mu de yi
ah chat you na nko kan love you and when you jam say ndo e mechanical comedy dia bro nya say I love you ankasa what you say kwaku ana
ono so far serious one
so na me dia go I love you there bro there kwaku aya o ex girlfriends am one na what I could be
my ex girlfriend
say be our ex girlfriend or
ware
am invite ya ko
makobi
na nsem
makobi enye na nsen ya mum de but makobi are fine
Neymar so nim Neymar branch Neymar football na ne girlfriend eba be ware ana odi to say sa aware ne de dey obekobi ama ne girlfriend no ni age na okọ wedding no so no akwanya ofaso ehwe ayi no no tete mu obiram
style na wo hwe no
asa Neymar asa na ninja danyi biaza on ze kwa ofaso hwe dia
so they adi komaro say me makoba akubi eno no obo mama ne wa mama me invite me there but she told me about it
so be worry
and I'm sure okay timi biza say hefa number ne ade no chemti o kan na no na ma hu place what that but I didn't tell her say me ko it was an event ne course na me ko so luckily for me baby me spy on am say space be wani mo pe and I'm in nanti and I'm in no musa na ngwa na mkotna enimu wa me kan so ma hwehwe ato so pa
na wo ko ex girlfriend there so
now him say surprisingly me so minim omo colors nso me suit am share ye na me de ko en na te say oh Charlie asa me ka groomsmen no oh to me nim so ni timi so me kotla front row am come na to zafi oto be hu me no we bi me nti di later na omo ebe so ya ko ye ida me na am ko chia o no na or introduce me to a guy no so like
my friend
you meet my friend Jerry na dey na me am bisa guy no so Charlie how be things so we be kunam so Charlie
me my girlfriend no kwade ko share ex how dey ka tell say your damn friend ko ka ex me hwa kwa me say the first kwa we
enti mo journey on Facebook no so there's an old picture of Neymar and the ex-girlfriend no and omu gina omu atwa picture nice the girl too is a nice girl
na who know your name abakwa actually so know your name abakwa kwa cook me what issue I'm clear na sana mako you call me the picture be send me I say other countries in my country one way no from atu mama say sia kwa ku I come here say baby in the plan of this Accra town no and other towns in Ghana no they just say be parks and then yema no akamira say the ni nyina no ya san tonton
temade and asan kra da temade ni na
kwaku anya
na you were reserved lands bi mu wo ho ni nyina say am for developing na tema omo developing ni nyina
to dey me srempanimfo say aman bia e bi sa nu omo ho kwaku dey make out here drug abuse na dey on kan wasam nya sa dey man ka ho there were recreational centers and collecting cover basketball every table tennis which we got trade the now can storybook Sunday morning you are drugs and drug usage in so now we there is answer the pesicate no bia me aton now what you say we are kwala na be one na park but come say see no obi esi about stress wo I fan
na last night can issue bi na me ka say those days na me call ayi odoko 5 ayi odoko ayi na your post school na e kobobo ayi na your friend park bi one friend Alabama park na nsan mu ya minya nam so me nkofa sa area mu okay etimi drive on am kofa na Alabama park no road bi da ho na etimi forward ko pie ayi oh cinema yi wo na bia se so ma be best point bank bi wo odoko no na cinema bi o mi refi edin sa road no elidia to sa ho no ti me kofa sa area ho masa bi do Alabama park wa eni ho biem yes see dan Crawford tete ho nyina yes this used to be a park and na bobo so those days yes see dan fa ho na park ni ho biem
yes I park na ya straight
park ni ho biem e ho na Crawford see dan tete
grass was no yes you know ama adan ya na fe de ya pe asase kona I straight
yeah say
so dey mpani fo mo ni nko ho emfa ma me kwaku na nsem bi nam krom say your finance minister no ho fa no
and they am passing home for no ama flying into the states but issue be another wa film no eno na omude abase nya no krese wa
film ya
sana yate
me hu video bi so asofo bi ahye nkomo ana je
sa papa yi na be share san ko ende me kai pa sofo salifu wana ana bibi mpo ada ana o de saying
salifu kanidi no ho Elisha so ka ho
Debut
Elisha
bibi amwako
salifu amwako or the bibi salifu amwako
okay me kai o ka sama people came and him near they said then
na be ko share flag staff house kro nko na we di o mko di hu dwuma mfa man na sansa papa no ye epitome of knowledge at so wo Ghana pa at say ofiri me be ha Ghana fo nti o mko na
all right nti ene na ye hwe chiri ne no ne Betboro so de onim say eno no ye ma odds na otimi say etamu pa na o office p na so betimi aboa na watimi adi and they betimi secure winnings no before the final whistle and our a cash out option so attach the count TBB any anwa hye no so Betboro Ghana so and amount up to 400 Ghana cedis in free bet yeah no obetimi e dey so dey ahwe na obet na odin so a and na waji cash na show botumbo ko. So visit betboro.com.gh/promotions today for more amazing offers. Sports is our passion, betting is our sport. Oh yeah, now we are responsibly undi 18 on can be and share and no. I feel first day do ma in boost herbal mixture aka police nedrun. Papa a drone nearby no when you strong immune system. I ochame amakome dase onidini prophet Salifu amako ana ne de ne amako okay Salifu amako okay di ona o share sa enkomo no but ye bompa ya papa no say no beto no e patcho imbu se ba me che kan wasemi e ye duru a wunya bia che se wono yare ansa na wanom wo yare nso a wo de nom ni na be ye adwuma no correct isa se e ye duru nso enye duru nso ye duru unum bia e ba system mu a e hye immune system ne de ma ahode ma pabam ni nyina mu yare bi woni paduam na hinti akra na eno akokuti asa ya wani na eye afiwa ma ho etimi aye odin pa ti pebi achi akwan fa ni agrokra na ebeboa wo Kings Walkabout ebi ho Ecos Pharmacy Widama Pharmacy ho na benya bi ho afi Travel Judah Pharmacy all Tinatet and dependable bar shops across the country benya bi ho Health Alert Shop at St. John's ebi ho and afi Little George Health Shop and also Tema Community 5 obenya bi ho 0243 115 948 and afi 0246 208 496 Royal Drinks or see you go like am for cry yeah and you know a Casapreco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Akofadiaba flavors need a chapo, Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, Royal Cocktail, and so attach you. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal Drinks in so many flavors. Operadua Fre 0262 351 251 and after 0272 133 373. Nokia so send or the abedja a Nokia Android smartphones and then the abedja so ya manfo guso den Nokia 1.3 Nokia 2.4 and only on 32 gig and I feel 64 gig and so I can home the on sabe can be a muye ni nyina ya man more megapixels and to trap pictures ni videos are perfect ones now on sa ekran and long lasting batteries is YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any other apps no perfectly well on sa account there when be jun ye pa phone shops out do ni nyina mu no ubenya wo there yes out there call odoko traffic light also Georgia phones Mrs. Obin and ni nkomo obey your fine Nokia it just keeps getting better afetie Go TV and they or say a tatamusa the copim the 31st of March. The ANSA ya ma what me ahwe niam papa na wa fili na onim say dan dan nyina say wa pon adwuma na one boys atena se nkwankwan nua ase mo crack bottles kakra na ade no says can I spend it with them no e betimi ama 720 hours of an unending entertainment just a family ni na betimi enjoy for 1 month na and no ni mu and e macho. We are talking about mouth-watering local dramas on Rock GH, African Magic. Now, spicy hot telenovelas and also Effie Star Life and international series. I hold Nina Adria Gudimawa. Now, for Bano say, yeah, the sports abroad, any sports channels no chapo. Nina no action. Nina be free or Ediaba. A band of movies and so any blockbuster movies in here. Nina action pack. Nina say Dragua. Number friends so sweetest kiddies shows. Nina Adriagu Ede Momo. Si say Abri ya media. Next what make it the right choice with Go TV Max. Now what me and your fantastic entertainment. Yeah, you're very, very affordable. So go on, get your Go TV Max for a discounted price of only 60 Ghana cedis. Now what me and your enjoyment that lasts longer. Ubet me connected via my Go TV app. I feel pay by the point and I say agent be a ben one. Yes, answer. Now I send the SMS to 1731. Go TV, love it. You know what I say? Sadaroma almost so mu. Ema yitimi ede Ayagator Sports ebrel ewo Ofie Kwanso media so ewo Adom 106.3 FM. Once again my reminder enra 14th February Vows Day. We are ade bi. Ade na na tefa so. Ene wo so ya ewa dwendwen. Epacho it's the morning after Valentine's Day. The emu an se obefre muti na ya ma free contraceptive counseling and sana ye too late. Etimpacho fre muti sesia 055 813 4375 055 813 4375 na yen sorto anyesa na ye dia ene na wa na wa ma ye you eno ana maka kire wi tu be hwe hu ye preko a na wa hwe hu ye preko na fe so hye no so se enei o wa kwanya no se still na obetimi enya eye free phone cover afi Galaxy Buds Pro and now say live and the most talked about Galaxy Smart Tag free screen replacement from accidental damage nina no ye de eche wokwa wa bra wokwa akoto eye Samsung Galaxy S21 series mu bia iti for any che Samsung shops ahodo ni nyinem na kai say the all new Samsung Galaxy S21 there South we subi mada built to embrace the future with 5G and its revolutionary camera with up to 108 megapixels of super high resolution to capture unforgettable moment. Unya bia wawie ti fa ho jimbie na tode na senya sa achede wina efa etachiri eka ho. Gift must be claimed on Samsung members. Terms and conditions apply. Eba ko anyim na dia ka bia so no ye nina atwam so ewo eye Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM wa wani tuadada say Ghana's #1 radio station enu ani fufuro bia ni ba bia mo bia na da greetings Jerry wenum regular listeners pa YK Enterprise what Tema Community 25 Deftraco Road. The owner is Abraham Yao Kone. Hope say Dines AB and a fee ne brothers Payao a fee Richard and young Joe aka Fine Boy Omo Enfa Jumedi Niagro. Also greetings Uncle Emma Irene Akofa who sells plumbing materials near Richard's Fashion on Deftraco Road. Omuna Eti Jumedipa Vivian Lisa Latte sent in this one. Na Sandra Hemi Gary, why do you sister Sandy be a guy? Obja Rebana said why you did trust over is here.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yadmusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. So say, dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, do the one dance yes, say, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Kasian Kaya Wutini D and a hoka. No, Yamwa suing Yano, a boy who buying every home. And now Ompa, Omuan Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntum Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a Wokashi, and you are Maymu Babia Yato in row, at to phone friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratwe Maja to Musay.
You be Go TV Lite, value or plus subscriber? Time it rule. So be unlock it to me. I want with TV no more. Upgrade the Go TV Max and Ninyano at a discounted price, 60 Ghana CDC pay. You will enjoy over 50 local and international channels for less. No dollar cra. Local series, telenovelas, blockbusters, sports, any kids channels for baby. Make you stay connected via my Go TV app and any property agent near you. Now enjoy maximum entertainment with Go TV Max for less. Offer day from 14th January to 31st March 2021. T&C supply. Go TV. Love it.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double oh. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Nokia smartphones are banana. Obia guso kanwasem. Nokia new Android smartphones email more megapixels, more memory, and more pictures. Ni videos pop baby. Phones here fast. So browsing, woko Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I will streaming video. Umi aswa nedem. Nokia batteries here. We are singing a D1 dance you. What charge ya? A Giraso and is a Giraso. When you budget new Nokia Android smartphones in Opa. Entry your Nokia 3.4 with 64 gig memory. And our Nokia 2.4. You want 32 gig memory. And our 64 gig memory. Nokia 2.4 with 30 megapixel back camera. And 5 megapixel front camera. And with 4,500 milliamp battery. 6.5 inch screen. And with Android 10. What to be upgraded called Android 11. To Nokia phone ya. With full show BI bell.
Valentine season way 14 in number yedi way or drop no bia or Samsung. But Galaxy A12 memory home pre no 364GB kosi 128GB. A 14 cedis pay. A free summer year kosi 28 February. So Galaxy A12 64GB for 14 cedis peso so. Nenya Galaxy A12 128GB. Ane utin year pa. Ye peja internal memory no every 64GB. Ako 128GB. Netia 14 Ghana cedis pay. I say, usimi we die. Your don kwa was Samsung. Now lucky number no. 14. Kwaje with Samsung Galaxy A12 and year. Ya more infinacho with double memory. 14 cedis pay. And she say kakra wo ho.
Yenso akwan suju medie hia mo man bia ankanko edi Ghana eko wiase na di wiase so ba Ghana Shippers Authority ani so ade huno ne se ye bebuo nso so adwadifo e wo haw bia wonam mu efri no ma ayra dia seye sika yaje wa emfa kwan so ene haw ahodo pii ye nya adaje chen so adwadifo eno ma eko se de be ya wo beti ase ye ni so ade huno ne se ye besom ni asom sompa Ghana Shippers Authority e wo Ghana Shippers House Ridge Accra Gapoha Towers Tema NCA Building 4th Gardens Echupe Okumas Takrade Shippers Center Takrade Yamusa Building Sansuna Gumbihini Tamale Yewo Complaints Unit Ewo Elibu Paga Aflau Boda Sansuna Kutuka Wimshejina Bia Ena Takutel Takrade Fred 0302666915 Anayeto free number 0800300055
Ghana Shippers Authority, providing shipping solutions.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was me the mobile money. You me wafa work ska. So charges kwa 380 cedis. We send this kan kwa ho charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so. Me ni atie. Se wo be move ko Vodafone cash and ka wo be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. I say me network ni there. Tie. Wo send this ka wa sawo network no so no. Yeto wo send this ka free wo network no so akwa network foforo no. Eno so yeto na emum tie asem de pa. Wo send this ka wo Vodafone cash so a free. Wo send this ka free Vodafone cash akwa network bia so eno so ye free. Masa inti wa ka try me. Oda so ye dan wa sawo network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash se hey, masa leadership na to ball musisi a. I know say there wo send this ka wo Vodafone cash so akwa network bia so a free. Send this ka do bia emprendo do bia akwa network bia so free. Dial *110# say na send this ka.
The future is exciting. Ready?
Valentine season way 14 in number yedi way or drop no bia was Samsung. But Galaxy A12 memory home pre no free 64GB kosi 128GB. A 14 cedis pay. A free summer year kosi 28 February. So Galaxy A12 64GB for 14 cedis peso so. Nenya Galaxy A12 128GB. Ane utin year pa. Ye peja internal memory no every 64GB. Ako 128GB. Netia 14 Ghana cedis pay. I say, usumi we die. Your don kwa was Samsung. Now lucky number no. 14. Kojo was Samsung Galaxy A12 and a year. Ya more refi na jo double memory. 14 cedis pay. And she say kakra wo ho.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Mama, she means sumala kaka. She means sumala kaka. Oh, Jessica, Jenoko, mama. She means sumala kaka. She means sumala kaka. A happy birthday going out to Selassie, Gloria, Kublenu, PR, DS Ashaman Municipal, from Elder Nat Otubwa. Wishing you a happy birthday. Miss Small and Mama, Miss Small, Miss Small, Miss Small, Miss Small, Miss Small, Miss Small and Mama. And a happy birthday also going out to Mr. Seth Nana Kweku in Tefo, the first. More wins, God's favor, abundance of grace, long life, good health, more money, that all the blessings be upon you, yeah. From your akonta, Iowa 05. Hey, Rakwesino no. And a happy birthday also going out to Madame Blessing Irene Mauko, CEO of Rennie's Design, Malam, from Nana Trimudahine, Tish Baby, your children Manuel, and then Prophet Regina. No, Prophet Regina, Prophet Reginald Minta, all of Malam. Sister Sandy a guy, Tennessee, the flyer to us from us here. But this one here says, yesterday was our father, Mr. Emmanuel Bequin, here in chief of a Koso, Kwashin Kwanta, near Saman Kessis 80th birthday. From the Renchi family, Nana Kumi, Kwafo, Asiedu, Dakwa, and Ansambe Queen family. Want to wish him a happy birthday, though belated. And a happy birthday, though belated, also going out to Mrs. Imbra, over here, Hanover, or Germany. Yesterday was your birthday, I guess, yeah. So a belated one to you, from Nana Kwame of Hanover, to you, Mrs. Imbra. I hope I got the name right. Okay, so Yemfa eye fila and twaso na yenko yenenim. Yenhwe ba ko mienu miensa bia apiepie mu neja. Yenyensa na Sister Sandy be a guy at Sansi na chi se kwan bia so. Ese timi akangum ne yekoyenim.
Yep, mic check 1 2.
Sister. Sister. Akwawa.
On the Jacob Crest, I think.
Oh, sis.
Oh, Debbie. Now, no color battery.
Oh, sis.
And then sister, the other will be a man.
Oh, sis. Oh, sis. Oh, sis.
And now, so, man, so. Oh, now I'm fine check. And now will be our hands from a piano. Oh no, who only Massama making a wine channel for Jerry Honso Cratchy, be a gate team or anything. I
said, why you follow me? The Omuka,
and I'm sure you repeat, and I didn't have a set of Bijam so. Ben Radam more the Che. Feedback having I know now was a proud sister. There was a proud sister moment. You can't go wrong with Habil's couture, you know what I'm saying? Hanana no nim dia ko what I say, you know what I'm saying? Chocolate na ngame Adom Max so
Max your chocolate na land
yeah say me ba me chocolate so na ma tedi so we dia na o de be cha but Max no creme nsaka enti Max what you can ya da see
me odon nyu ya na man for the time say lumba nyu na na me bon akoma so no and na share message no Jerry, can you please give me the words of the song playing at the background DL song me fa lyrics na mo asai aji ushi okojo buzu
no na try yes mo jo wait
adio
jumano ya jai sash che jumano ya jai na answer na ma me fa we entiamu I say omo hu hia me o se na say Thursday ni Friday ya omo ntemenka se say bisanyom no se me di djuma o TV any radio ente ya na ha twon na so twon e say bisanyom no Thursday ni Friday no ye chawa abonten ye chawa out ente say Thursday ni Friday no bi boatmana o ba be di say me brofo no me be yaba Wednesday me anam de brofo ne ba me be fa me brofo kana utu kwa nja so sasa nyema I saw society.
Adio.
Who to I want to sign him? I don't know if you are with any amount.
Debbie.
And to me, Mrs.
Oh, your relocation.
You to be good enough. It's in me, he brought for number Wednesday. As I all cried, it's me so kind of watch over one family. So the old can't one and Sunny and tell your walk. It's I know what to a day, a mammy. My catcher is a girl who make up from feel Lizzie.
Girl or makeup room.
Makeup room. Just on bar area or bar him matching.
A friend Lizzie.
Lizzie, Tet and who prove sir.
A
pure shaman
and
and now come on, come at Tad and or monitor fan.
Now, I don't know who to listen.
There be so Mary.
I can't say that conscious damra here now. Be this area. Oh, I didn't mention of the name. None of poor Ben. Oh, yeah, almost say 1 year for you. Almost 7 year friend. Sunday. All my dreams and the doors. As you enter your gaze, there's a difference between be very ideal and which it's almost be catch yours. I am cool. My gateway. Oh, they all. Hey, first year, young queen. Eh, young queen. Hey, now my main cast in share public, you know. Trying the normal share. And when Shoma who sent a more with you, some naming menace over this side. Na menace, Mamma Philip be was your way. Sabajary, Sinicha for no one as a trending. So, how what's not saying? And no bray, I need you. What honestly, Chenny be friend or friend a year. Must say, to measure that tweety. No, my true jobs. No, wash a dash or sway. Was also a bloggers never found him saying, just any am with me. Now, see, I need you, maybe, concern yes. Wow, it's a bad just so much of that Cheshire near May home. How much said you, man? Now, so say, I know I have. Na pekon concerned into near some woman na a case. It is say trendy beer by a very tutu. Na son so basa actress for me no the Mateo Monka so mo be training. Who says ni twa for me no bia yes or more training. Muntiam ye more trended that one pandemic at a time. Yeah. San say Braja you always about time man. Sanya man ye bejai. Among folk na na champon bag ya be friend Jackie. Shania ukra. Chairman for voice I was here promote na de be a to we say we na ni we kwada na umu enjai because Charlie near me was here promoting na my industry na catch you. Yeah. Na moto was say trend. Na esa mono sini na bi ni ho na watwa. Red carpet ye bi man no akoso akoda ho. Etiche omo prepare trend. Yeah, by force. It way at once by force immediate and immediately trend. But my team na brand said me can be who so na be time to the magic my fancy I say bra cra be jam my fancy because so who say baby yeah I'm mention say atiase my uncle na asem bia ba pa o ene de we Raja man for din ko asem mukru ha say sir boy bia fa to no so social media no invite girls na say person audio much series. Say oh a dancer or her mom into art no. You try music video for dancers. Now wa fro or send over manufacturer. How can no my review? Hey. No my nipa too be na some no the budget to me baba. Where the embassy uncle Chani squad. But that's serious. Embassy where the becha Lagate squad na bre. Hey. Budget no unfortunately for them no. Okay, I say any dancers be the juma o ahosepe. Emu 2 girls too. And omo from na just say omo nya gig amom. Na omo mra music videos I thought that's why artists omo show music video na nacho. It's girls say so my ready omo beko. And omo dance director back was and na JJ ni chimontin no. He on the dance god Lloyd. Ebeko. And I say any dance god pass no can ho Afro beast. I request Uber and mom and there's almost sign. Now ba call can walk call and incidents na to no. Now the man some near ya no chema wa report 102 as ya boegu. E dey cry na mo for jikra. Young girls no. Some of you what I say about because and name one who prepare some person we ye and tell person we famous, who person we popular. Munche you. Now, man for the dream born and I'm grown. Say there's a price, say no.
boys no song say girls ni perfume tell no mo you na kan dey betwa music video there but you say the internet person your boy man no wutie bi na you victim of asema making boy bi say be bra betwa bibi na call person rape ni ade amesrew ma me sanka wudin because me boy mu nyina ma no me boy mu nyina because you say cost so far me nya girls 3 yes as a victim no can ho 4 and I dance
this is bad. This is bad.
You know, girls, no, me girls in the back as a boy say crowd me no money issue. Oba fame no, ma men can do crave your fame no bibia ni musa o. Nia ya who said that the social media na e man nya o say obey actress a obetwi Range Rover. Let them account for it. Na who be a free bar. Fame no me ra hwe nim. Unless or passion for ade no be no kwa use the right means.
Na yemfiti preko pani adu ho so. Kakran.
How many years and look at your new baby out. You go so pem. Now the mobile overnight. And no man who said no more paint Miss Ramodia Cosono no. Obi about social I say once account from what tongue. It's me tongue account very 20k move. Be a say or 20k yeah. Or any part a real account. On my money na ho be about DM you shoot move your audition then come here. Either you are going with some just say munyai because Raja they say corona kwa yenchashe or hunti jai and then apps are baby wow with me edit a set camera actual acting skills Kwabrana wo ya or talent dey be Kwabrana who be so be for the wecha yeah wa ha say you who talent be for but men fen rero mo Raja dey kwaso so achina no me hwem na
ate
maba na ni ma phone so mo ntomo bo se mo bebo me a why
obi antimi nso akiri on Facebook with Denver Millicent was please wish my sister a happy birthday for me. She is schooling at All Nations University offering engineering course level 200. My name is Millicent from Begro. Well, I just did. Yeah, fast da Emma Vodafone. About your Vodafone says so you sue a Vodafone cash now they send this can be Vodafone cash way free untia for any charges be. Sounds like you use Vodafone cash now they send this can be or any other network be so and also you free. You don't pay a dime and untia dating always this can or other networks and so charges be at way and also rabbit me at the full it's in patch of Vodafone so I they use Vodafone cash for free. Just dial star 110 hash to send cash for free. Ready? Into this one coming in from the man Abrantia match of the day. And now one gentleman that I admire so much in the birthday. Your friend Mr. Enoch Abochi Kumsen, yes, of the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community One English Assembly. He said, Deacon, nah, or you're fantastic, or no, or you're apostle. Just say, ne level, no massa, you know, go fit town. And I feel I'm brutal. Later, me will show happy birthday, what it? Now me will show, no cost one found in new massa. Sa ube yenshira na ube koswa yenshira sa happy birthday to you Daita Saudi Maya and this one here says Deacon please happy birthday going out to Elder Samuel Redu of the Church of Pentecost Gethsemane Assembly Latabia Koshi District from the wife Mrs. Beatrice Ejei Redu midwife Kolebu and then the children as well that's Akusia and then Nana Kurijo they all wishing you a happy birthday. On to us, a baby girl is born. Yes, and she is called Sharona Lorraine Lama. I love you so dearly. Happy blessed birthday, my sweetheart. Mommy loves you. And this one came in from Cassandra in Kunim. To you, Sharona Lorraine Lama. Enjoy your birthday. And they the one say ya more akwanya mo watimi ato Samsung Galaxy S21 series EB phone I atwe boas here trying to come out you pull 108 megapixels of super high resolution to capture unforgettable moments. Utobia wa akwanya so betimi nya free phone cover Galaxy Buds Pro or Live, the most talked about Galaxy Smart Tag, free screen replacement from accidental damage, and the HDP now, yeah, the air count home. Gift must be claimed on Samsung members. Terms and conditions apply. Tiana Washen on Sujo. Tell them, I see your friend Hey. I see your friend Missy, money, yeah. Saudi, Maya, Shoba. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's checkout time already. That's right, y'all. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. It's been nice coming your way with the Monday's edition of your own show, Ofie Kwanso, with me, Jerry Justice. Many thanks to you and you out there for your time with us. Maybe so come here, Papa Bills have been come James Town J. Cole, and then to Kwame about there. That's sample for James to pass through from home. And shouts to my girl, Sister Sandy B, a guy. Yeah. Say Nyame Adom no do a china chain. Yeah, no, ebe say she free no me and some bring be pim say be boy anwumre no nsia. Until then, as always, asem ne ba ko pe. Wo hia onua na wa chia no.